Uh, Welcome back. We are exploring supervised machine learning today. In our previous video, we explored the different types of machine learning, from supervised to unsupervised and reinforcement learning. Today, we're going to dive deeper into one of the most common and powerful types, supervised machine learning. Think of supervised learning as learning from a teacher or a supervisor. This type of machine learning is all about using examples, specifically data that comes with clear, correct answers, also known as labeled data. So, what exactly is labeled data? Imagine you're teaching a child to identify different animals. You show them a picture of a cat and tell them, "This is a cat." Then you show a picture of a dog and say, "This is a dog." The pictures are your input, and the words cats or dogs are the labels. In machine learning, labeled data works similarly. It's a data set where each piece of input data is paired with its correct output or target label. This label acts as the answer key for the learning algorithm. To be more precise, in supervised learning, we refer to the input data as features and the output as the label. Features are the individual measurable properties or characteristics of the data we're interested in. For example, if we're predicting house prices, features could be the house's size, number of bedrooms, or location. The label, in this case, would be the actual price of the house. Our goal is for the machine learning model to learn the relationship between these features and their corresponding labels. The heart of supervised learning is the training phase. During training, the machine learning model is fed the labeled data. It analyzes these examples, trying to discover the hidden patterns and relationships between the features and their labels. Think of it like drawing a line through a set of points on a graph. The model repeatedly adjusts itself, learning from its mistakes, until it finds the best possible fit for the data. This process allows the model to generalize and understand how different features lead to specific labels. Once our supervised model has been trained, it's ready to make predictions on new, unseen data. This is where the real power comes in. We provide the model with new features, data it has never encountered before, but without any labels. The model then uses the patterns it learned during training to predict what the label for this new data should be. It's essentially applying the rules it discovered to provide an educated guess. This predictive capability is what makes supervised learning so valuable for many real-world applications. Supervised learning broadly falls into two main categories. The first is regression. Regression models are used when the label we want to predict is a continuous value. Think about predicting house prices, as we discussed earlier. Price is a continuous number, meaning it can take on any value within a range, not just a few specific options. Other examples include predicting temperature, stock prices, or a person's age. The model learns to map features to these continuous outputs. The second main category of supervised learning is classification. Unlike regression, classification models predict discrete, categorical labels. This means the output is one of a predefined set of categories. A classic example is spam detection. An email is either spam or not spam. Other uses include image recognition, classifying an image as a dog's or cat, or medical diagnosis, identifying if a tumor is benign or malignant. The model learns to draw boundaries that separate data points into their respective classes. To quickly recap, supervised machine learning is all about learning from labeled data, where each input has a known correct output. We distinguish between features, which are the inputs, and labels, which are the outputs. Models are trained on this data to learn patterns and then make predictions on new, unseen data. We explored two main types: regression for predicting continuous values, and classification for predicting discrete categories. Understanding supervised learning is a fundamental step in your machine learning journey. In our next video, we'll explore another fascinating type, unsupervised learning, where models learn from unlabeled data. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.